lot of food. Looks so yummy. I'm obsessed with this protein shake, so I'm just going to bring these two for my friends because we're going on a little girls' day today. No speaking. Another one coming this way. Fluffy, fluffy. Oh, another one fluffy. Teddy bear. These are your favorite. My glasses. I paid more money for his glasses than I did for mine.
Can I see the glasses?
Yeah, sure. Here.
Other dog was in its way.
Yeah.
It would still follow
The lead.
the kid train.
Come on. I want to see again.
Good.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna bring some to Alex.
Yeah. That looks nice. TikTok. I see everything on TikTok. Oh. It's like dumpling, dumpling. I will have one of this for tomorrow. Puff pastry coffee bun.
点心怎么说？
Dimsum. Yum cha.
Oh, What is it? Oh, it's called Asian. This one?
No, I'm good. I am good with this tray.
For the because I always want to try to wrap it up. Yeah.
Oh, someone's coming. Go, 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 go.
Oh, okay. Okay. You see?
Nice. That's a lot.
But now we're done.
Oh, 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 oh. Come on.
It's really lovely.
No.
This one, 2 stars, 3 stars, 1 star.
Go, go. Let's try that first, and then we can.
Yeah, just an easy one first. Let's just get
Here comes a new challenger.
Wait, I don't think I'm
Oh,
fighting.
oh, you can choose.
Oh, now
choose,
I
choose.
ah. Okay, now I can fight.
Oh, okay.
I don't think I was.
It's
controlling.
one player, I think.
I bought this from Bomi Bakery in Browns Bay yesterday, and it's the pistachio cream pretzel. Yeah, I think I'll just have a bite of it and see how it tastes like. It looks so good though. Yummy. This is pretty good. I actually heated this up in the microwave for 15 seconds and oh, it looks so good. Yep. For sure, we need to heat this up because it makes it soft. So good.